Hello friends, this is Arman Verma from Anamika's English Academy. Today we are going to learn one of the model auxiliary, that is have to. Have to and has to. They are followed by main verb first form. Have to. It is used in sentences for obligation. I take some examples in Hindi. Like मुझे जाना है, उसे यह कमरा साफ करना है, मुझे तुमको कुछ बताना है, तो जाना है, खाना है, पीना है, करना है, बताना है, दिखाना है। हिंदी वाक्यों के अंत में जब ऐसे सेंटेंसेस आते हैं तो इसका मतलब ये होता है कि हम किसी काम को करने के लिए बाध्य हैं. That is obligation. It means बाध्यता. It means something is necessary to be done. We take some more examples here. I have to go. Have to is always followed by main verb first form. Like have to go, have to play, have to clean, have to wash. So, I have to say something to you. मुझे तुमसे कुछ कहना है. So, some of the structures here, I have to reach at office by 10. It means I am obliged to be at my office before 10. It means here obligation that comes from somewhere else. For example, from your boss, from your parents, or a rule at school or workplace. It means my sister has to wear a tie at work. It means my sister has to wear. She is obliged. This is necessary for her to wear a tie at her work. So have to and has to, they are very important in our communication. Like we have some more examples. खाना बनाना है. I have to cook food. मुझे सवाल पूछना है. I have to ask question. मुझे पैसे जमा करने हैं. I have to deposit money. मुझे यह प्रोजेक्ट पूरा करना है. I have to complete this project. So here the structure I, we, you, they are followed by have to, and of course main verb first form we have to put after have to or has to. On the other hand, she, he and any name we put has to, and they are followed by main verb first form. So we have another sense, this have to, like मुझे जाना पड़ता है, मुझे बताना पड़ता है, मुझे रुकना पड़ता है, मुझे दिखाना पड़ता है. It means I am obliged to do some work before certain time. जैसे कि have to और has to के बाद if we put clean, I have to clean my floor right now. मुझे अभी इस वक्त अपने फर्श को साफ करना है. The second sense comes, I have to clean this floor every day in the morning. मुझे रोज सुबह में यह फ्लोर साफ करना पड़ता है. So I have to wake up early in the morning because I have to reach at my workplace before 10 o'clock. So it means I have to wake up. मुझे उठना पड़ता है. I have to go to the store to buy some vegetables. मुझे स्टोर जाना पड़ता है कुछ सब्जियां खरीदने के लिए. I have to take medicines. मुझे दवाई खानी पड़ती है. I have to wait for my sister at this time. मुझे अपनी बहन का इंतजार करना पड़ता है. तो जाना पड़ता है और जाना है. These sense they are to be made in English structure have to and has to, followed by main verb first form. I have to go and I have got to go. Both are same. So here I have also given an example. I have got to go and here I have to go. both sentences are right. The meaning for both sentences are the same. So now let's take some examples of negative sentences. In negative sentences, we take some examples here in Hindi, like आज मुझे कॉलेज नहीं जाना है. Today I don't have to go to college. Here have to is followed by don't. हम लोगों को यह फिल्म नहीं देखनी है. We don't have to watch this movie. Here don't is followed by have to. समीर को मोबाइल नहीं खरीदना है. समीर doesn't have to buy a mobile. So doesn't have to. Here we can see the next example. मेरी माँ को खाना नहीं बनाना है. My mother doesn't have to cook food. So we can take some more examples like रविवार को मुझे काम पर नहीं जाना पड़ता है. I don't have to go at work on Sundays. उसे अब दवाई नहीं खाना पड़ता है. He doesn't have to take medicine now. So here don't have to and doesn't have to is followed by verb first form, like don't have to wake up. मुझे जगना नहीं पड़ता है. I don't have to study. मुझे पढ़ाई नहीं करनी पड़ती है. I don't have to wash. मुझे धोना नहीं पड़ता है. She doesn't have to buy vegetables from the market. उसे बाजार से सब्जियां नहीं खरीदनी पड़ती हैं. We don't have to compromise. Now अब हमें समझौता नहीं करना पड़ता है. So these are the examples of have to in negative sentences. So मुझे नहीं जाना है. I don't have to go. उन्हें जाना नहीं पड़ता है. They don't have to go. मुझे खाना नहीं बनाना पड़ता है. I don't have to cook food. So let's take some examples of interrogative sentences. Here you can see some of the examples in Hindi. क्या आज तुम्हें कॉलेज जाना है? Do you have to go to college today? क्या तुम्हारी बहन को कंप्यूटर सीखना पड़ता है? Does your sister have to learn computer? So do you have to? Does she have to? Some more examples. क्या तुम्हें यह प्रोजेक्ट पूरा नहीं करना है? So don't you have to complete this project? So now let's take some more examples of WH interrogative sentences. Here we have mentioned some of the examples in Hindi, like आपको कहाँ जाना है? Where do you have to go? Always remember that WH questions always followed by do and does. Then you have to put subject like I, we, you, they, he, she. Then have to always. Either the subject would be he or I, third person singular number or first person plural. Still we have to use have to. Just we have to make some changes with do and does. The next example, उसे क्या करना है? What does he have to do? तुम्हारी बहन को सफाई क्यों करनी पड़ती है? Why does your sister have to clean? आपको वापस कब आना है? When do you have to return? तुम्हें क्या खरीदना है? What do you have to buy? आपको किससे मिलना है? Whom do you have to meet to? और who do you have to meet to? आपको यह काम क्यों करना पड़ता है? Why do you have to do this work? So these are the examples of have to. We use this sentence, we use this model verb in our communication to speak about our obligations, and if something is necessary to do, we use it.